Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about something really weird that happened to me. Uh, but before I begin, I want to talk about Tesla. This is gonna be the title of the video. Tesla shares drop after SEC judge holds Elon Musk in contempt over tweet. So Elon Musk tweeted that he was gonna produce 500,000 cars in 2019, and they produced 0 cars in 2011, and the SEC's on his ass for tweeting this. I don't know if it's wrong. I mean, Donald Trump can tweet anything he wants and nobody can go after him. So, and they tried to take his tweet away and he got it back. So I don't know. Donald Trump can basically do anything he wants and Elon Musk can't. I don't want to bash on Donald Trump or anything. I think, I still like Donald Trump as a business person. I think he's also a very unique individual. Tesla. So Tesla down $10.77. I'm hoping that this stock drops back down to 250. Right now, Tesla has a lot of weight on the stock. Not only the SEC is on top of Elon Musk, there's also that $900 million payment that Tesla needs to pay. So this is going to put a lot of pressure on Tesla stock. So there's a possibility to see Tesla go back down to 252, 250, 260. That would be great. I would definitely be buying more Tesla stock if it goes down to that price target. But while Tesla is receiving pressure, their competitor NIO is booming. They're after hour, they're already up 27 cents. If you look at the chart, they're already out of the Bollinger Band. Tomorrow they're gonna really be out of the Bollinger Band. Could be a good put, could be, but I could be wrong. But it's just, there's a lot of data that shows that NIO is gonna pull back. Like, first of all, the RSI is at 74, so it's already very, very close to the overbought area. On top of that, it's out of the Bollinger Band, so it could pull back down to $8.78-ish. But, then again, it could be, it does look very bullish, so it could go way, way above that, but who knows. If NIO goes back down to, I don't know. I'm thinking of taking a position in NIO and then slowly over time adding to my position. Because I believe that I believe that in the future there's a possibility in like 5 to 10 years NIO could be a $50 billion company. But I could be wrong. That's just my opinion. We'll see though. We'll see how this company develops over time. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about okay, first of all, Aurora running up on 10 million volume to $9.59. Kind of weird. And then on top of that, the volume suddenly spiked for some strange reason. And as soon as I sold it, so I was looking at the stock and I was like, okay, the stock price is rising on extremely low volume. So I was thinking that, it's not going to last. It's going to pull back. So I sold out at $9.39. As soon as I sold out and sent viral emails that I sold out, the stock volume spiked and the stock went all the way up to $5.60. Kind of a funny situation. Maybe it's just like there's really rich people trying to make me emotional with this company. Maybe the stock, if the stock went up to like $12 or $13 on low volume, it would blow my mind, because I didn't think it was possible. But if it does, that would be crazy. There was another reason why I sold, because I was looking I was also looking at the Bollinger Band and the RSI level, and I was like, okay, it looks like Aurora was being over, like the Aurora should pull back because it's like on the Bollinger Band, and the fact that it's rising on low volume. So I decided to sell out around 390 because it was on the Bollinger Band. The RSI level was pretty high. But as soon as I sold out, the stock just, big amount of volume just came in and started buying up the stock. Could be just, market movers are trying to mental me out and trying to make, I could be totally wrong. I'm just being a little paranoid maybe, but who knows? At the end of the day, I really don't care. I still have Aurora stock, so if it goes to like $12, I will still be very, very happy. I lost out on 3,000 shares because I sold out because I was thinking that, the stock would pull back. I could reset my stock price position because I had 3,000 shares at around $9.44. So, wow, my throat is killing me. This is the third time I made this video. I had to remake this video 3 times. But, it ran up. Let's see if this continues. If this stock goes to $12, $13, it would blow my mind. I would lose 30% on 3,000 shares. Not going to be too upset about it, but whatever. After hours, Aurora pulled back 1 penny. And I just wanted to add something. It looks, I could be totally wrong, but it honestly looks like, because Dan, the chart guy, he said in his video that he bought Aurora at $7.14. To me, it doesn't really look like his style, but he bought a small position at $7.14. As soon, he bought it exactly where I sold it at. So, I just me being kind of a little paranoid. It's just like, kind of don't understand why he bought it. I watched him closely, and he usually doesn't do like buy when the stock runs up. It usually he waits for like the stock to go down a little bit before he buys. But he bought the stock after it already ran so much on low volume too. So, and the RSI level was, kind of high when he bought it. So I didn't understand why he did it, but he did, and the stock ran up. I'm just thinking that maybe someone sent him a message that they saying that they were gonna buy the stock and told him to buy, and then he bought, and then his followers bought too, and then that helped to push the stock up even more. I could be totally wrong, maybe, but let's see if it's continue. Like, this volume should indicate that there is some kind of news tomorrow, or else it would kind of make no sense that suddenly they had a spike of volume. I was thinking that maybe tomorrow there's some big news that's coming out for Aurora. That's the reason why the stock ran up after hours. But usually, unless like volume doesn't come in, like from what I noticed, volume doesn't come in unless there was some kind of news. Like there's some kind of news during the market trading hours to really push up the stock, and there was no news on Aurora. So I don't know why all of a sudden Aurora stock just pushed up like that. Maybe it's me, maybe it's not. Who knows? If Aurora goes to like $10 US, I would be still very, very happy. I still have 20,000 shares, so yeah. CGC after hours pulling back down, 31 cents. CGC is looks like it has getting a little bit of weakness. I possibly could do some swing trades on CGC because I believe that if like Aurora is gonna ride to $12, $13, CGC is gonna at least maintain $60. So CGC will probably have a small run up. I could be wrong though. Candras After hours, up 14 cents. Not looking good for me. I should have sold out my CanTrust. I had a put option. I was up 36%. Could have sold out for some small profit. Now I could lose that small profit. Who knows what's gonna really happen. And I'm really interested in CanTrust earnings. That's the one thing I'm looking forward to.
Feeling unsure? What if you had some help? Introducing the new 29...
Sorry about that. I don't know why that happened. Kiran pulled back. Kind of like what I predicted, but I wasn't actually 100% sure. I was thinking that it's already ran up so much that's going to pull back a little bit. I tried to do a swing trade on Kiran today. I put my a buy order at $3.65. It didn't hit it. Maybe tomorrow is another day. Canopy is down after hours. Oh, sorry. Canopy's volume. Sorry. What I meant to say was Canopy had extremely low volume today. Volume seems to be dying off on, the major wheat stock. Volume, why I think volume is important. Volume is the active trading, so that means that people are trading the stock. So low volume means nobody's really trading it. High volume means a lot of people are trading it. So the fact that Canopy's volume is dying off, that means less and less people are trading it. That's what I think is volume, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe volume means something completely different. Wayland. Somebody said that they think Wayland's a buy. I had some bad experiences with Wayland, so I'm not gonna buy it. I'm just gonna leave it alone. But it could be a good swing opportunity. I could be totally wrong. I'm not buying it because I don't like the company. I mean, I could swing trade it for fun. I could put in like a few $1,000s if it goes down to 50 cents. Just put a little bit more money and hope, it recovers. I could. Maybe I will. Maybe I should just swing trade it for fun. Not really buy it seriously. Just buy it like a few thousand just in case it might pop. And I can make, 5 or 10% profit. Not going to put a huge amount into like 100,000 or even 10,000, maybe like 5,000 or a couple $1,000, maybe $1,000 for fun. Who knows? Namaste. Oh wait, NMX. I so pissed off that I did not buy at NMX when it was around 30 cents. I did put a bid at 29 cents, I believe, or 28 cents. I can't remember. Yeah, around 29 cents, and I didn't get it. I should have just bought it at 30 cents. Too late now. Kind of pissed off about that. Oh well, whatever, that's life. So I'm hoping that this stock goes back down so I can make a position in it. But it may not. We'll see. Namaste. Volume is pretty decent on Namaste, 2.6 million, so still a lot of people trading the stock apparently. I wonder where the stock's going to be heading. I just can't tell. It's hard for me to be bullish on this company because of all the problems. But if it ever drops back down to 22 cents, or even 50 cents, or below $1, 80 cents, I might start making a position in it just as a swing trade, because it still has some value. They still have medical patients. They still have Namaste MD. So I just don't think it's worth $322 million. I think it's worth less than that. Just my opinion though. So I had a call option on Stamp, and today it ran up $15.57. It was kind of nice. I made like almost 200% on my call option. Roku's down $1.45. I just want to say that Roku looks like it's in the overbought territory. 81 on the RSI level. It's way out of the Bollinger Band, and I'm thinking that it could be a good put option, because Roku is a very, very volatile company. They move a lot, so could be a good put option. Could, like, it looks like it should pull back to at least like $50 ish, because it's just like way out. But you know, I could be wrong. We'll see. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna be putting a put option on. I might do put option on Roku. This is not advice to buy anything or advice, but anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and have a great day. Bye.